In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Calendar history. This process will help you maintain an archive of your calendar events, making it easier for you to access past appointments and important dates whenever you need. Let's get started with a straightforward and efficient approach to exporting your calendar data as an iCalendar file. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, locate the Google Apps icon, which is usually situated at the top right corner of your screen. It resembles a small grid of squares. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of various Google services. From this list, select Calendar. This will take you directly to your Google Calendar. Once your Google Calendar loads, look for the settings icon, typically represented by a small gear symbol on the top right part of the page. Click on the settings icon and another drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option labelled Settings. This may seem like a redundant step, but it ensures that you're taken to the full range of customization options that Google Calendar provides. Within the settings menu, you'll find a list of categories on the left side of the page. Scroll down until you spot Import and Export and click on it. This section allows you to manage how you bring in or take out data from your calendar. Now choose the specific calendar you wish to export. If you have multiple calendars, you'll see them listed here. You just need to select the one you want to archive. Once your desired calendar is selected, look for the export button on the page and give it a click. The export process will be initiated immediately. After a moment, you'll receive a zip file containing your calendar data in the iCalendar format. This is a widely recognized format which ensures compatibility with a range of calendar applications. To access your data, simply download the zip file to your computer. From there, you can extract the files using your preferred archive software, allowing you to view and use your calendar data as needed. Keeping a history of your Google Calendar in this way is particularly useful for both personal and professional purposes. Whether you want to keep track of past events or prepare for future ones by having a handy reference, this method will ensure that your important dates and events are never lost. Remember, periodic backups help maintain a reliable record of your activities. And there you have it. You've successfully exported and saved your Google Calendar history. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.